Everyone. Whoa, we made it. It is Friday, April 11th, 2025. What a week it has been in these crazy markets. The volatility has been absolutely insane. The moves have just been to a magnitude that I'm sure a lot of us have never seen before. I personally traded during COVID. I've been in some crazy moves and stuff, but this week was just a reminder of when the markets want to move, they can crush you. So anyways, hopefully you survived. I'm thankful that I did. Not without some scrapes and bruises, though. So let's go over it. Here is my Motive Wave platform. We'll pull up the accounts here. Here is the Apex. So starting off the bat, the top one here, which was $75 in profit today, that is just an eval I picked up during that 90% off sale. I'm just kind of playing around with it. It's part of my copy account that goes over to Tradeify. So that's why there's not anything massive or anything crazy like that. These other ones that don't show any P&L, there's 10 of them. Those are all past accounts that are just sitting on the sidelines. So I'll have 10 50K evals in case I need them. And I'll be honest, I probably will need them in a couple accounts here soon. This was a tough week to trade. I had some losing days, had some green days. Today was a good day. But you can see this account down here, minus $800 about. I now only have like $500 in drawdown left. So that one is going to be really difficult to revive. So not sure how long that one will last. This one's now maybe around $900 to $1,000 in drawdown. So not a ton either. The rest all have about ranging from 1,000 to 2,000 in drawdown. So actually this one down here, 1,556. This one's like 1,900. So and 1,400. So I've got some room, not a ton. I want to keep building some more breathing room after this rough week, but yeah, I'm just glad I have 20 accounts still. I have taken some payouts. A couple hit the bank account today, which was great. But yeah, what a crazy market. I've been basically sizing down to micros and just still getting crazy whipsaw where you could just blow an account with one micro if you're not being careful. So hopefully you survived. Yeah, here's where I'm at. That's with Apex. Still got 20, got 10 on the sidelines. So not too concerned if a couple do get blown next week or anything like that. Only limited drawdown, so it will be difficult to keep those going. And then let's see, we've got Tradeify. I've been trading those 5 straight to funded accounts. Just in case you don't know, they do have 30% off right now. If you're a current user, and if you are a new user to Tradeify, you can get a 40% off discount. You can use their code SPRING. If you want to help this channel out, you can use the code Sean Trades. But just in case you're interested, there are some discounts there with Tradeify. Check them out. Here is my dashboard for the Tradeify accounts. Let's see. So today, let me pull up just one account. Okay, so this account's sitting pretty good. Got a balance of 4.46 thousand. And then the other ones are a little bit less. They're all about 2.7K in profit. And the reason is yesterday on one of the accounts, I decided to go pretty aggressive with all the movement and was scalping the NQ contracts. I did not do that again today. I backed off and I'm just doing the micros again. So that's why today was kind of a small day and I needed a breather room where I just didn't push it. I was honestly just kind of exhausted. I didn't want to risk these accounts too much. So didn't make a ton. Had a couple losing trades, you can see. Had a couple winning trades. So my largest loser today was $381. My largest winner was $410. And then a break even, couple winners, and another small loser. So decided to just call it. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades I took in that account or in those accounts. So that's pretty hefty. So But all in all, glad I've had nothing but green days in there. It's end of day drawdown, so I don't have to worry about a intraday trailing drawdown. So really pleased with that. I do need to get to $9,000 in profit before I can request a payout. But that's okay. I'm just going to take these slow and hopefully get there soon. So check them out. This dashboard's rad. You can do a lot more on here too. I've been real impressed, and yeah, hopefully we'll soon be able to witness how quick their payouts are. Let's see. I've already discussed, I blew that one take profit trader account I was trying this week. I actually did pretty decent and then just had a really terrible day where I just traded the NASDAQ on a $1,500 drawdown. And yeah, I'm sure you can assume what happened and just blew the account right away. I'm down to one of my Top Step accounts. Today actually met my personal profit target, so that's good. The account has, let's pull this up, about $28 in P&L, so kind of crazy. And I have about, I don't know, almost $1,800 in drawdown in this account. So this one survived because I had a daily loss limit set, so it stopped me out these 2 days. Then I was able to claw back and be green. My other 4 accounts that I had with them, I'll be honest, I just went degenerate mode on those, copy traded those using the NASDAQ and just blew them up. It was ridiculous of me to do that, but it is what it is. So I've got one XFA remaining with Top Step. I think I'll just leave it there for a while. It's just stressful sometimes having multiple accounts on different platforms and stuff. So leave it at there. I'm not saying I won't try and get some more in the future, but I'm pretty pleased with having 20 Apex accounts and 5 Tradeify accounts. So once I get to some more payouts, then maybe I'll start adding some more. But yeah, I want to get a little bit more consistent with what I'm doing. So anyways, guys, this week has just been hellacious. I'm ready for the weekend. Hope you go enjoy it. And maybe next week, I don't know, we'll see. Already this average true range on the 5-minute today is about half of what it's been. So it's a little bit less, which is insane to think because we're still having huge movements. But just in comparison to what it was, 2 months ago, price is really moving. So, all right, guys, I've babbled on long enough. Thanks for checking out the video, and we'll see you next time. Take care.